हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बीपीटी, दैट इज ए थ्योरम बीपीटी, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम। अनदर नेम ऑफ द सेम थ्योरम इज थेल्स थ्योरम। और ये सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स क्लास 10th के चैप्टर 6 में है। सिमिलर ट्रायंगल, नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. It is 6th chapter in class 10th of mathematics, and we are going to study what is BPT. See, basic proportionality theorem. Spelling and all you can see in the book. BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Another name is Thales theorem. And the statement of theorem goes like this: that if you have a triangle, say ABC is the triangle ABC. Here AB, BC, and AC are the sides. In a triangle ABC, if there is a line, say DE, which is parallel to one of its side. DE is line, BC is side of triangle ABC. So we say okay, DE line is parallel to BC, and DE line intersects AB and AC at two distinct points. You can see it here. It is intersecting AB at D and AC at E. It intersects. So this line DE will divide AB and AC in the same ratio. This means what? AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. देखिए, केवल इतना कहना हमें, और ये हजारों करोड़ों लोगों ने समझी है, तो ऐसा समझना ही मत कि हमें समझ में नहीं आएगा. अनडाउटेडली बेटर देन एनीबडी एल्स वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो विद दिस इन माइंड जस्ट सी कि अगर हमारे पास कोई एक ट्रायंगल है, हमने कहा कि उसका नाम ABC है, और उस ट्रायंगल ABC में कोई एक लाइन है DE, जो उसकी एक साइड यहाँ पे BC के पैरेलल है और बाकी दोनों साइड को D और E पे इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो वो लाइन DE AB और AC को सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगी. उसका केवल इतना मतलब है AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. With a small numerical value, I'll make it amply clear to your mind how to go about. Let us say this is 2 and this is 3, or this could be 4 and 6. So if you write here 2 upon 3, that will become 4 upon 6. If you strike out 2 by 3, so this is equal. It is not necessarily a essential requirement that AD should be equal to AE. It can be, but it is not necessary. See, AD was 2, AE was 4, DB was 3, so EC was 6. But when you take the ratio AD upon DB or AE upon EC, so this is 2 by 3, that is also 2 by 3. So their ratio must be same. And the necessary condition for this ratio will be same only when DE will be parallel to BC. तो इसकी स्टेटमेंट क्या थी? किसी ट्रायंगल में अगर एक लाइन उसकी एक साइड के पैरेलल है, कौन सी साइड के पैरेलल है? BC के. कौन सी लाइन है? DE. और बाकी दोनों लाइन AB और AC को D और E पे इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो वो लाइन DE AB और AC को सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगी. दिस इज आवर स्टेटमेंट. नाउ यू डोंट हैव टू फाइंड आउट एनीथिंग other than the area of triangle. See, this complete theorem solution will be based only on finding out the area. So if I write here, this is, let me write EF, and let this be a perpendicular. From here another perpendicular onto AE, and let that be DG. So if I write here area of triangle ADE, and this will undoubtedly be, if I take this as base, so it will be half. This will be half into AD into EF. Again, if I write here area of triangle ADE, that we will see subsequently. We are going to do something else. So with this base, if I want to find out, that will be half into AE into DG. Since so many classes we know this, right from 6th onwards it has been taught to us that to find out area of triangle, what we do is half into base into height. When AD is base, EF is height. When AE is base, DG is height. And for a triangle, if the triangle is same with all the three bases and corresponding altitudes or heights, if you find out the area is going to be same undoubtedly, because this is essentially the same triangle. Now I will join these two lines BE and CD. See, triangle BED and triangle CED are on the same base DE and between same parallel lines DE and BC. यहां पे केवल इतना कहना हमें कि ट्रायंगल बीईडी एंड सीईडी आर ऑफ द सेम बेस डी। प्लीज यहीं पे मत रुकना कि ये सेम बेस पे हैं, उस बेस का नाम भी लेना हमको। तो ये सेम बेस पे है डी पे, और सेम पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में डी और बीसी के। तो सेम पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स हैं तो हम केवल ये कहना चाहते हैं कि उनकी हाइट कभी भी चेंज नहीं होगी, देयर हाइट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन सेम। Because if you see the parallel lines are defined like this, the distance between the parallel lines throughout their lengths will be same. So undoubtedly the height of this triangle BED and height of triangle BED and CED will be same because they are situated between the same parallel lines and the base is same. So area of these two triangles is undoubtedly going to be same because area is half into base into height. Half is a numerical value which is same in both the cases, and if you see base is same and height also you say same. So area of triangle we can write here, area of triangle BED will be equal to area of triangle CED. BED, and the reason I have given because they are on the same base and they are situated between the same parallel lines. So area is same. Now if I write here area of triangle CED, sorry BED I will write BED, that will be half into dB. For BED, base is BD, and this is a obtuse angle triangle. See, I can try to explain it here. If you have a triangle like this, and this is ABC, for base BC, if you want to draw a perpendicular from the vertex A, then that will lie outside the triangle. So here what we have to understand is BED, the triangle is BED. हमें क्या समझना है कि BED एक ट्रायंगल है और ये ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल है, और BED में DB बेस के लिए हाइट EF है जो ट्रायंगल के बाहर है, एंड दैट इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल बट व्हेन द ट्रायंगल इज ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल्ड. So we will write here DB into EF. Here again we will be write half into, or let me write area of triangle CED. So we will write half into, for CED this time base is EC, and once again let me tell you this angle DEC is an obtuse angle. So for base EC, height from the vertex D will lie outside the triangle CED. So that is again DG is the height. So let me write DG here. These are cancelled and these are cancelled, and see if I call this equation 1 and this is equation 1 2, these are undoubtedly equal. Here in the numerator we have triangle ADE area, and here BD and CD. Area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE undoubtedly same. I told you it has to be same. Triangle is same, and here these two triangles we have written also there and explained it to you that their base is same and they are situated between the same parallel lines. तो उनका एरिया अलग हो ही नहीं सकता. So left hand side of these two equations are undoubtedly equal. So therefore from this you can say you can write AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. See, the only thing that we needed to prove is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. But for this was a necessary condition that line DE must be parallel to side BC. The theorem statement of the BPT was like this: in a triangle, a line if is parallel to one of its side intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then that line will divide those two sides in the same ratio. So that we have exactly done.